Hey guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we are going to show you Block Blast strategy, best tips and tricks. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering what are the best things that you can do here, or a few things that you might want to remind yourself to be always doing while playing Block Blast. In this case, let's go and open up Block Blast here, and we want to go ahead and open up Classic here. So in this case, the first thing that you want to remember here is you want to make sure that you hit, or you always hit that special moment here on Block Blast. So what is that special moment? Well, in this case, you get a lot more score if you clear your whole board. So it is suggested that you make sure that you fit all your blocks here and try your best to basically clear your whole board, which in this case you get more points as long as you clear more board or more blocks in your board here. And yeah, so it is the best way for you to start earning your score. Now, another thing that you might want to consider here is to always leave space. Now in this case, like for example, we have our L space here. Do not leave this on the center of your board. This will make things a lot easier, a lot harder for you. In this case, it is recommended that you put this on the side, especially for straight ones. So in this case, let's go and put it in here. Now, in this case, we want to add another section, which in this case, where do we actually put this one? Well, it is recommended that you put this near to other blocks that actually fits it. So if you leave this in this location, it might look weird and you might not be, or might not a great way for you to leave space for other blocks that may come in. So let's go and place it in here, and let's go and place it in here. As you can see, we were able to clear that section. Now, since we leave enough space here, when we actually add this section here, as you can see, we can clear the top section, which is a great way for you to basically make sure that you still continue to start playing here, and hopefully you'll be able to beat your record. Now, what about this tricky situation here? So it looks kind of weird here, as you can see, but what I would recommend you to try doing here is do not put this in this section here. You want to go ahead and make sure you put it at the very end. So make sure to always fill out the end here and do not leave weird shapes. So let's go ahead and add it in here. And as you can see, it gives us more space for other blocks to fit in. So another thing you might want to consider here is you want to consider where you add this one. So like what I said before, do not leave in weird spaces or weird block sections here. As you can see, we have a small block here. If you put it in here, it's going to leave you a very small block, or a one block piece here, which is going to be really hard because the one block piece can actually, or it already comes into the play here. Now in this case, you want to go ahead and do that, or apply this for every game here. You want to go ahead and apply this to your games. As you can see right now, it's quite weird. Let's go put it in the end. Basically, start clearing your games here and get more combos and hopefully score more. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.